Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Avneet and I'm an artist and a graphic designer. And today in this video, I'll be answering to all your questions that I've been getting on Instagram regarding graphic design. So the first and very common question that I get is, how can I begin graphic design? So the best way to start is by exploring the free tools that are already there, for example, Canva or Figma. If you want to get into professional softwares like the industry professional softwares, you can try Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. Start by practicing simple projects like recreating posters or maybe designing Instagram posts or also maybe making your own logo. The key is to practice consistently and build your visual sense. That's the most important thing. Question 2. Do I need to be good at drawing to be a graphic designer? That's another question that I have been asked a lot many times because I'm an artist and a designer. So people usually tend to think that being an artist, it was easy for me to dive or transition into graphic design. But I don't think that's the case. You do not need to know how to draw in order to start graphic designing because designing is more about problem solving in a creative way. But if you want to go into illustration based designs or animation, drawing helps. Otherwise, you do not need to know drawing to get into graphic design. Like for example, most graphic designers use software and they work with typography, layouts and branding. So for that, you do not need to know drawing. Question number 3. What are the essential tools or softwares for graphic design that you use? So the most common tools that I use that are industry-based softwares are Adobe Creative Suite. That includes Adobe Illustrator, which is for graphics and logos. I also use Photoshop, which is for photo editing and digital art. Then I also use Adobe InDesign, which is for layouts, magazines, and books. So if you want to get into editorial design, InDesign is the best software that you can use. If you want to get into UI UX, try Figma or XD. And Procreate is for digital illustrations. I would also recommend Adobe Fresco. That is another really good application for illustrations. You can try that out. You can transfer your illustration to Illustrator directly from Fresco. If you are a beginner, just start with free tools like Canva or maybe Sketchbook or also Graphic Designer, and you can gradually move on to the advanced softwares. The next question that I got is, how do I build a portfolio as a beginner? As a designer, all I can say is your portfolio is everything. So your portfolio is super important. If you don't have clients yet, create your personal projects, redesign existing logos, make social media graphics, or create a brand identity for an imaginary business. So share your work on Behance, Dribbble, and also Instagram. You have to show your work in order to attract potential clients or employers. So you need to be out there and showcase your work and also know about what's going on. That's all that matters. The next question is, how long does it take to learn graphic design? That is something which is quite subjective because it depends upon your pace and how much time you put in. So some people pick up the basics in just few months, while mastering design principles can take over years. The best way to learn is through practice. Take on small projects, get feedback, and keep improving. For me, it was kind of, I wouldn't say easy, but it was a smooth transition from being an artist to a designer. But also, you need to get a hang of the softwares. That's the most important thing. You need to have the creative mindset to become a designer. The next question is it necessary to get a degree in graphic design? No, it's not necessary. So many designers are self-taught and they get jobs based on their portfolios. However, a degree can give you structured learning, networking opportunities, and exposure to the real world projects. But it's helpful, but it's not the only path that you need to take. The next question is quite interesting. So it says, what are some common mistakes a beginner designer makes? So some basic mistakes that graphic designers usually make are having or using too many fonts in a design, ignoring alignment and spacing when it comes to designing a poster or maybe editorial design, not understanding the concept of color theory, because color psychology plays a very important role when it comes to branding. Another thing that I would say is copying other designers' work rather than finding your own unique style or developing your own unique style. So I would say that is very important, because that is going to be very helpful in the corporate world or when you start working as a freelancer, because you cannot replicate a logo or a brand identity because it has copyright issues. So you need to develop your own style in order to cater your clients. Another very important mistake that I feel people make is not asking for feedback. I feel feedback is very important when it comes to designing, because with every constructive feedback, the design evolves. So you have to have feedbacks from your colleagues. Sometimes it is hard to get feedback from the non designers, but you need to try to make them understand the design principles, and that's where the basics come. So you need to make them understand the design principles, and if not, then at least from your design colleagues or partners, you need to get a proper feedback in order to improve your design, because with every feedback, your design evolves. One last question that I got was, what's the best way to stay inspired as a designer? For me, inspiration comes from everywhere, be it from Pinterest, Scribble, or Behance, Instagram, everywhere. And sometimes ideas come at a very random place and at a very random time. So, all I would say, stay motivated, keep working consistently, talk to your peers if you feel demotivated, and you're good to go as a designer. That's all for today. I hope I answered most of your questions regarding graphic design. If you have more, please comment down and I'll definitely answer them. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And see you in the next video. Bye. And the uh, according to me, so even if you sometimes design